Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover exploratory data analysis, in which we are going to cover how to construct a bar graph with overlays using Python. Then we are going to cover how to construct a contingency tables using Python. Then we are going to cover how to construct a histogram with overlays using Python. And at the end, we are going to perform binding based on predictive values using Python. First, we are going to understand the topic by using presentation, and then we are going to practically implement the topic. So let's start. So this is our presentation. So the topic is exploratory data analysis. EDA is a process of analyzing and summarizing the main characteristic of data set using statistical and visualization technique. ये help करता है data scientist and data analytics को to understand the structure of data, detect a pattern, identify anomalies, and uncover the relationship between the variables. Python provides various libraries for performing EDA efficiently, including pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn and plotly. So next we are going to cover construct a bar graph with overlays using Python. To construct a bar graph with an overlay, we can use matplotlib and seaborn libraries of Python. A typical use case for an overlay bar graph is when you want to compare two or more categorical variables on the same axis. Then we are going to construct contingency tables using Python. एक पहले ये देखते हैं contingency table होती क्या है. Contingency table एक table होती है used to summarize the relationship between two categorical variable. It shows the frequency of different combination of values from two categorical variable. It helps us to explore the potential relationship and dependence between them. So to construct a contingency table using the pandas library, we are going to use pd.crossTable function. Next, we are going to construct the histogram with overlays. Constructing histogram with an overlay allow to visualize the distribution of multiple data set on the same plot. And you can compare the distribution of different group or variables. Next, we are going to cover binding based on predictive values using Python. Binding is a data preprocessing technique used to transform continuous variables into categorical ones by grouping into predefined intervals or wins. It is often used to prepare the data for machine learning model by simplifying complex continuous data by making it easier to interpret it. So now we are going to see the steps for binding based on predictive value. First, identify the predictive features, then select the binding method, then create bins, and at the end analyze the results. So let's move to our practical implementation. So first, we are going to construct a bar graph with overlays using Python. This is the code. पहले तो अपन libraries import कर देंगे and this is the sample data जिस पे अपन बनाने वाले bar graph with overlay और data frame create करा. Then dot finger method से अपन plot करेंगे overlay bar graph. So let's execute the code. So this is our output overlay bar graphs. X axis में अपन ने categories पास करी है और Y axis में value. So let's move to next. In the next part we are going to construct the contingency tables using Python. तो पहले तो अपन ने pandas को import कर लिया. Then this is the data, gender और ये purchase. जेंडर ऑफ अ पर्सन मेल फीमेल और परचेस, क्या वो परचेस कर रहा है या फिर नहीं कर रहा है. एंड देन डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करा एंड कॉन्टीजेंसी टेबल क्रिएट करने के लिए क्रॉस टैब का यूज करते हैं. सो लेट्स क्रिएट इट. हाँ, दिस इज द टेबल जिसमें परचेस दिया गया है ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस एंड ऑन द वर्टिकल एक्सिस जेंडर दिया गया है और दिस इज द टेबल. और in the third part we are going to construct the histogram with overlays. So पहले तो अपन packages import कर लेंगे जिनकी अपने को requirement है. Then sample data, data 1 and data 2 and dot fingers plot करेगा histogram with the overlays. So let's execute the code. So this is our histogram with the overlays. X-axis में अपन ने frequency, X-axis में अपन ने value दी है and Y-axis में frequency. So this is और blue color data 1 को दिखा रहा और red color और you can say orange color data 2 को show कर रहा है. So और ये इनके बीच का intersection portion है. So this is the histogram overlay. And next we are going to perform binding based on predictive values using Python. ये packages import कर लिया. Then this is our sample data, age and purchased. अपन data frame create कर रहे हैं. Then we are going to apply the binding and this is, let's execute the code. So let's see the output. This is the output, age versus purchased, and this is the table. So this is the video. Thank you.